Hi everyone! Welcome back to Smart Health and Fitness. Today, we're diving into something truly transformative: exercises that help you achieve body harmony. These exercises aren't just about building muscle or burning calories. They're about creating a balance between strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. Let's get started. Warm up. Preparing your body and mind. Before we jump into the main exercises, let's take a few minutes to warm up. A good warm-up is essential for preventing injuries and preparing your body for the session ahead. Neck rolls. Sit or stand tall. Slowly drop your chin to your chest, then roll your head in a circular motion. Move gently to the right, back, left, and forward, making a complete circle. Do this 5 times, then reverse the direction. This helps relieve tension in your neck and promotes relaxation. Cat-cow stretch. Get on all fours with your wrists aligned under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale deeply as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone, cow pose. Exhale as you round your back, tucking your chin and tailbone, cat pose. Repeat this motion slowly for 1 to 2 minutes. Arm circles. Extend your arms out to the sides at shoulder height. Start making small circles forward, gradually increasing their size. Do this for 30 seconds, then reverse the direction. This loosens your shoulders and warms up your arms. Core strength and stability. A strong core is the foundation of balance and body harmony. These exercises target your abdominal muscles, lower back, and overall stability. Plank to side plank. Begin in a standard plank position with your forearms on the ground and your body in a straight line. Hold for 10 seconds, then rotate to a side plank by stacking one foot over the other and lifting your opposite arm toward the ceiling. Hold for 10 seconds, then return to the center. Repeat on the other side. Aim for 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Bird dog pose. Start on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Extend your right arm straight forward and your left leg straight back, keeping your hips level. Hold for 5 seconds, then return to the starting position. Alternate sides for 10 reps on each side. This exercise strengthens your core, improves coordination, and stabilizes your spine. Flexibility and grace. These flowing movements combine strength and flexibility to create balance and fluidity in your body. Sun salutation. Begin in mountain pose, standing tall with your feet together and arms at your sides. Inhale and raise your arms overhead. Exhale as you fold forward, reaching for your toes. Inhale to a halfway lift, keeping your back straight. Then exhale and step back into a plank. Lower down to the ground, then inhale into cobra pose. Exhale into downward dog. Step forward, rise up, and repeat the sequence 3 times. Warrior 2 to reverse warrior. Step 1 foot forward into a lunge position, with your back foot turned slightly out. Raise your arms to shoulder height, with one arm pointing forward and the other back. Hold Warrior 2 for 10 seconds, then transition into reverse warrior by reaching your front arm overhead and sliding your backhand down your leg. Hold for 10 seconds before switching sides. Cool down and relaxation. To complete your session, take a few minutes to cool down and relax your body and mind. Child's pose. Kneel on the ground and sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms forward and rest your forehead on the ground. Take deep breaths, feeling your back and shoulders release tension. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes. Seated forward. Fold. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale to lengthen your spine, then exhale as you reach forward toward your toes. Keep your back straight and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Deep breathing. Sit comfortably with your eyes closed. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold for 4 counts, and exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Repeat this for 2 minutes to calm your mind and complete your practice. Achieving body harmony is about creating balance between movement, strength, and mindfulness. When you incorporate these exercises into your routine, you'll feel more in tune with your body, stronger, and more flexible. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Smart Health and Fitness for more tips, workouts, and inspiration. Let's continue this journey toward health and balance together. See you next time.